So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once we're on this, we're going to click on network and internet on the left. Then we're going to click on proxy. You want to make sure that automatic proxy setup, automatically detect settings, has been turned off. So guys, for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once on this, we're going to type in netsh space int space IP space reset and click on enter. Next, we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter. It's going to tell you to restart your computer, but don't restart it yet till you complete the next steps in the video. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to find either your Ethernet or your Wi-Fi. No matter which one you have, you want to double click on it. And then you want to click on properties. And then you want to click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that use the following DNS server address has been selected. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 4222 and then click on OK. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and click on enter. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.